So, what are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.
Hi guys, myself Navin from Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my BTech graduation in 2022 as a stream of civil engineering. After completing my BTech graduation, I am searching for the IT job and I am struggling for getting the IT job. And recently I listened about the Vision and I joined in the 45 days internship program with getting the placement. In internship program, they're providing the CCNA network and Linux administration and Windows administration and also troubleshooting. And the faculty also very cool. They're giving the practical knowledge and also giving for any doubt clearing the doubt clarifying also. And the HR department also very clearly for giving the very information for getting job. And I placed in the WIPRO with 3 lakhs per annum. Thank you Vision for getting for my job.
So, what are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.